Jenny with just Miss Jenny's Cleaning, and I have a confession to make. I just got a Young Living Essential Oils Premium starter kit, and I was gonna do an unboxing, but I got it last Wednesday, I think it was, and I didn't have time to do the video until today, and so, but I wanted to smell the stuff because it smells so good. So I'm so sorry I couldn't do an actual unboxing, but I am going to share with you everything that I got. So, first of all, I just want to let you know why I'm doing essential oils. So, I've actually been doing essential oils for a very, very long time. Maybe not right, but I've been doing them. Okay? So, some of you know I had a car accident back in November, and we're in July now, and long story short, I'm not having any surgery, okay, for a variety of reasons, but mostly financial, because I can't afford not to work, okay. I'm self-employed and I am not wealthy, okay, and the doctor said 3 to 6 months, so I'm not doing the surgeries. I will find a way to live with the residual pain until I can get insurance. And some days are tough, because I don't know if you've ever tried to clean a huge house in 4 hours. It's hard on you, and I'm not young, right? Getting older. I love the title of this company, Young Living, right? So anyway, that is reason number one. Reason number two is I have been fooling around now for a couple years trying different types of products to do the job that I do, and I keep hearing these noises. I have come to the conclusion that I want to transfer my business over to a more green type of cleaning, not just for my customers, but for me too. I'm breathing this junk in every single day, all day long, and it's kind of taking a little bit of a toll on me. So, 2 reasons, personal and business, and just I'd like to feel healthier, and the stuff smells really good. So, I decided to go with the Young Living, and I'm going to show you my kit. So, this is the box that it comes in. It has this really nice sleeve on it. This is the sleeve. And these fields here, these are the actual Young Living lavender fields. So this is the scenery behind the fields. It's very pretty, isn't it? I love this color. It's kind of soothing and relaxing. But you know what? Purple also is a power of color, a color of power. So there's this little subliminal message in this picture. This is my interpretation. There's a subliminal message in this interpretation of the power of these essential oils because they are so concentrated. So on the back it talks about the stewardship of Young Living, and it also has the seed to seal quality indicator on here as well. So this is the sleeve, and inside there's this really nice box. Now this is a very sturdy box. I like this box a lot. It's well made. Yeah, and it has this little ribbon here with a magnet that holds this shut. So when this opens, okay, here's the oils, and let me see here. There's a packet down here that has some information in it. I'll explain that to you in a minute. But these, look, that goes all the way down like that. These are the oils. So there's 10 oils here. The ones on the top, this is what they call their vitality oils. These oils here can be ingested. They are FDA approved to be ingested. I know there's controversy on whether or not you should be taking oils internally or not. It can be dangerous. I have decided I never ever did until actually a week ago. I started taking them internally, and I'll tell you more about my experience with that in some other videos. But yes, so these are the ones that you can take internally, and these ones down here, now they say that you can't. Well, the FDA says that you can't. The truth is, if you have, say, a lavender in a white bottle or a frankincense in a white bottle, they're the same thing. The vitality that comes in the colored bottles, they're the exact same thing. It's just that this is done for the FDA. But the quality and the concentration and everything else in the essentials are exactly the same. So if you run out of, say, peppermint, and you only have a peppermint in a colored bottle, you can use that colored bottle of peppermint. However, the Raven and the Panaway, which I love. These two are in security, you know, they're in child safety caps, so these are not to be taken internally. So you really need to read the literature and listen to the other people that, you know about these specific oils. If you know somebody who has me, okay, Young Living oils, to find out for sure if there's something that you can take internally, because not all of them are safe for internal ingestion. Anyway, this is the 10 oils, okay, and you actually get a bonus oil, but look, this right here, let me see if I can show you up close, has a little thing on the back that you can open this up kind of like a picture frame and display or keep your oils out if you'd like to do that. So this is the oils, and then inside here there's another piece of cardboard with a piece of ribbon on it, and this part comes out and you get an 11th one, Stress Away. You see my cap, they're open. I've been using these, okay? Stress Away. I kind of had a bit of a week. Stress Away. It's great, okay? It's helped. And I wish they sent more of these, but I like this stick. So this is a roller bar. It comes with its lid too, so that you can recap the bottle. But this, if you take, they call it an orifice. I forgot what they call it. It's the thing that keeps the oil from spilling out. It comes out in a drop. You take that little plastic part out and push this in, and then you can use this roller on your skin. There's still some oil on there, because I've been using it a lot. I think that's Panaway. But this cap comes too, so that you can keep that little roller bar on your oils and be able to cover it. So, and then they also send you these 10 little teeny weeny bottles. You can use these for samples or to give away to friends. I haven't opened this yet, but I'm actually sending some frankincense to my sister. She's having a skin issue right now, but I'm sending her a little bit more than this. I'm sending her something that's been diffused in some oil. So she's getting a gift from me. Then it has a sample of these. So I believe this makes 2 bottles. There's actually 2 portions in here. So, and this is the cleaning product. I think one portion makes 32 ounces of cleanser. So I have tried a little sample of this and it works pretty good. I'm still looking for a grungy bathroom to see how well it takes off soap scum. But yeah, so we have that, and it smells really clean. It really does smell clean, but not like what you're used to smelling. Okay, I'll tell you that. I don't know how else to describe it. It's got some of that clove and some spicy undertones, but it does smell clean. Okay, and you also get 2 packets of Ninja Red, they call this. This is like a booster drink. This particular kind does not have caffeine in it, which I like that, okay, because I don't like those caffeine drinks, but and it has stevia in it, so there's no calories in this, but it's fortified with wolfberries and some other of the essential oils. And I think there is another Ninja product that has a little bit more boost to it if you like that caffeine rush. But anyway, these should be kept in the refrigerator, so I haven't tried them yet. I did hold on to what I could to share with you guys. I really did. So these are going in the fridge as soon as I'm done here, and I will let you know how they taste. And then it also, they give you these different packets. There's like 2 of each for 5 different scents. So there's the Thieves. That's their trademark scent, their custom scent. The Thieves, if you notice, okay, so look in the picture. That's a white bottle. That means Thieves can be taken internally. It also comes in a colored bottle. And then Thieves, okay? This is their trademark product. Well, they're all trademark, but this is their trademark blend. This is the one that's the signature blend for the company. So this is good for health and wellness. This is good for your skin. It's something that you can diffuse. This is something that you can use to clean because it's an antiseptic, okay? So that one's in there. There's 2 of these. And they have this little hole that you can punch out right here and right here. You can punch this out and put this little brown, these things You can put it with these things and explain what that is in this little, is that a vial? This little bottle. Okay, so they have thieves, and that's just a generic one. Frankincense. Frankincense. Lavender. I've been on this lavender kick now for a couple weeks. Lavender. And Panaway, which they should call Salvation, but it's Panaway, okay? And then peppermint. So it has one for each of those. Those are the things that are in the box. And then there's a couple other little things. This is kind of important, that you get a diffuser. I got a diffuser. This one, I took the cord off of it so that you know, I can bring it outside because I'm done being inside today. But this is the Desert Mist one. I really like this one. So this one has 3 settings on the diffuser, so you can set it for how long you want it to do. Last night I had it going intermittently. It goes for 10 hours, so it's actually going when I woke up this morning, which is, I had lavender and peppermint in it, which seems like a really weird combination, but they actually smell really good together. And it's funny because those two smells together, for me anyway, they relax me at night, but in the morning it's like perky. I actually had peppermint tea this morning for breakfast, but yeah, so it was still going. I don't even, oh, sorry, I did that wrong. It's just a second. I'll show you the inside. Okay, so this just comes off, see, and then this is the inside. So this part comes off. This is what happened. I caught the lid, and it does. Okay, so through the night, I don't know if you can see, it went through like half the water. You fill it up to here. I love it. Okay, and then this lid goes on. And this one, what's nice about it is that it also has a light. It has a light, and there's, I think, I don't know how many, maybe 5 or 6 different lights. There's blue and green and red and orange, and there's a white and then a dimmer white. And there's one that's kind of an orange flickery, like maybe it would, you know, to give the effect of maybe this being sort of a candle or a lantern. But yeah, I really like this, and I set the light. I like the green and the blue at night. For me, it's relaxing. I know blue is supposed to keep you awake, whatever. I like it, so that's the one that I use, one of those two. And my room is green. I like green. So I like that. And the cord goes into the bottom down here. Okay, so this is the one I have. There's some other ones, but this is the one that I got. And they give you, let's see, they send you a letter saying, welcome to the Young Living member. You get, oh, I want to get that. Where's that one? Oh, here we go. No, I was looking. Here we go. You get this too. So this right here, this is the essential oils at a glance. It's got all of the main essential oils on here, and I'll put it up close. It's like the same thing that's on those cards. So it tells you an overview of the type of oil, how to use it a couple different ways, and what it's used for. So that's on that side, and then there's a couple more on this side. And then it explains the codes. There's little codes up there, or symbols that mean, can you see that? So each symbol means something, and that's what this is here. And then it just gives you an overview of the Ninja and these household cleaners. So that's in there. There's just a recap to keep you going or get you started on these different oils. So they give you that, and they give you a roadmap. Okay, so this kind of reminds me of like a board game. I am like right here. I'm actually on social media because you're watching this. That's cool. Okay, so I've gone from, I'm on my second step. Well, I did the Young Living University online, so I did that too. And am I sharing? I don't know if I'm sharing yet or not. I don't know. But anyway, this looks kind of like a little board game, as it shows you how to go through all these different steps to become successful if you decide that you want to be a distributor. Okay? And the explanation for each step is on the back of this. So this is a nice little brochure. depending on what your motivation is. There's a couple other little things, but then there's this book here, Essential Oils, with this, and it talks about the seed to seal in here. This book is really, really nice because there's all kinds of information, overview information in here. So you got your question and answers. It explains how to make like lotion bars. There's recipes in here. Look at that bunny napkin, and it gives you directions for that. Isn't that dear? I mean, there's just so many things in here. Some DIY, what each oil is good for, or how to overcome the day's problem. You know, if you're feeling like kind of not as perky in the morning, how to perk yourself up. Yeah, so this is a good book. There's a lot of information. Look at that. Look at those fields and those girls with all that lavender. I want to go there. So there's that book, and then the last book is the 2018 product guide. So this has every product that they carry in it. It's like the catalog for essential oils. I have to shift something. I'm sitting on a bridge, okay? Yeah, so it got a little uncomfortable. So yes, this is all of the products that are in here. So of course they have the Vitality oils, they have the regular oils, they have the blends, they have, you know, different diffusers, all the Thieves products for your house and your health, all the Ninja Red products. They also sell supplements, things for children and babies, and for pets. Yes, there's a lot of stuff in here. Lots of information, and it gives you the prices. It tells you what the retail price is versus the membership price, and yeah, this is just a lot of information. So I'm kind of excited. They also have a thing called Essential Rewards. So my goal for my next Essential Rewards, I'm hoping, is to excuse me, I thought I was going to cough. Order the Thieves basic cleaning kit. I don't want to order the Thieves primary kit. So there's two. There's a basic and a primary. Premium kit. I don't need the premium because I have the Thieves information. I want the basic cleaning kit, and maybe I need that. Maybe I need something else. I don't know. I have to think about it. I like the bucket, but I have a bucket, so I might rethink it so I can get more different things. But the sooner I start building up my inventory, the greener I'm going to be. Anyway, I do appreciate it. If you've watched this long, thank you so much. If you want more information on essential oils and the Young Living company, I'm going to put my information in my email and my website through Young Living. I'm going to put that in the description below so you can go and check it out either way. Please feel free to comment. Please hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. Bye-bye.